The Indian Space Research Organisation is gearing up for the rehearsal of an ambitious interplanetary venture into Mars. The Mars mission launch is scheduled for the 5th of November. India's indigenously developed Mars mission has set the record of being the cheapest foray into Mars so far.
ISRO is gearing up to launch its first mission to Mars, and the dry run is slated for today.
From baby steps into space, India has taken a great leap forward as far as interplanetary research is concerned. The success of Mars Orbiter mission will leave a mark on the global space research forum, thus proving that Indian scientists are on par with scientists of any leading nation like the US or the Russia. This is a moment of joy not just for the scientists of ISRO, but for the entire nation.
India's Mars mission, scheduled to be launched on November 5th, is touted as a milestone venture into the final frontier.
It will be a milestone in the technical era, technical sense, in that it is the first time that ISRO has actually left the Earth orbit. And so certainly it will be a good technical accomplishment.
It's been a long and arduous wait, and if successful, could be the culmination of a 2-year-long journey.
But now this Mars mission is entirely our own mission. The rocket is our own, the satellite is our own, the instrument is our own. So whatever data we'll get it, and whatever discovery we can make it, if it happens in future, all will belong to our country.
India's unmanned Mars mission already making headlines across the world as the cheapest ticket to Mars, with a price tag of 450 crore rupees, well under the costs incurred by NASA, Japan and China on their journey to Mars. All eyes will now be on Sriharikota, and the launch rehearsal could well be the final step in India's journey to Mars. Bureau Report, Times Now.